Meet UseEffect, the after-party planner of React. Imagine your component is throwing a party. First, it renders the decorations, JSX. Then, UseEffect sneaks in after and says, "Cool, the party is ready, now let me handle the background music, snacks, and cleanup." That's UseEffect. It runs after the render to handle side effects like data fetching, setting timers, or changing the page title. So, what is a side effect anyway? A side effect is basically anything that doesn't stay inside React's render world. Things like fetching API data, setting up an interval, or even updating the DOM manually, all these are side effects. We use UseEffect to run them after the screen has been painted, so the user doesn't sit staring at a loading spinner forever. UseEffect syntax surprisingly simple. Here's how it looks. UseEffect is equal to do something, dependency, that's it. The first part is the function that should run, and the second part is the dependency array. It's like a to-do list that says, "Hey React, rerun this code if any of these change." Dependency array, the watchdog. The mighty dependency array. It keeps an eye on values. If anything in the array changes, React says, "Time to rerun that effect." Leave it empty. React runs the effect only once, just like a hi and bye at a party. Add dependencies. React sticks around for updates. Cleanup time, UseEffect's exit strategy. Now imagine you're setting a timer or opening a WebSocket. You don't want it running forever, right? That's where the cleanup function comes in. It's like saying, "When I leave, turn off the stove." Inside UseEffect, just return a function. React will call it when the component unmounts or the dependencies change. Real-life example, let's fetch data. Let's say you want to fetch user data when your component loads. Wrap your fetch in UseEffect, and bam! It only runs once if the dependency array is empty. Want to refetch when user ID changes? Add user ID to the array. Just be careful, don't start infinite loops. Wrap up, remember these golden rules. So here's the wrap up. UseEffect runs after render. It depends on what you put in that array. Always clean up your mess, especially with timers or subscriptions. And don't overthink it, React's got your back. Just follow the syntax and logic, and you're golden.